Hello guys, I'm Kiara Elora and I'm gonna make Pansit Bihon.
We need garlic and onion, pork, bihon, carrot, beans, a cabbage, kinchay, pepper, soy sauce, pork stock, and oil. Heat up the oil. Saute garlic and onion. Then add the pork. Saute the vegetables too. Add kinchay and pork stock. We can cover it to cook easily. Then add pepper and soy sauce. Mix well and set aside. Boil the pork stock. We can pause while we wait for it to boil. Oh no, it's boiling. Now let's put the bihon. Let's wait till it's soft. And then we're gonna loosen up. Put some soy sauce and mix it again. We can put the sauteed vegetable now. Mix everything. Now my pancit is done. Come on, let's eat. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.